All right. We're about to shovel.
Yep.
The snow here in Green Bay was actually not Green Bay. It's Wisconsin. You gonna let it warm up? So you're putting gas in the tractor, huh?
I am.
Awesome. All right, so tell us what's going on here.
So I ended up getting these things called Edge Tamers, made by R2 Manufacturing, that you bolt them on your loader, and it prevents you from digging up your gravel driveway. We're going to find out how well these work. We happen to get a model that will also allow us to put a post on here so that we could use it to carry logs and such too.
Got it. Well, let's see if this works, right? I think it's gonna work. Hopefully.
Hope so. It certainly had good reviews, and I mean, in theory, I mean, it seems to do exactly what you need. Keep this edge off the ground. Let the loader ride on these shoes, and you don't dig up your gravel.
Gotcha. How much did you pay for those, hon? How much were they?
Honestly, I don't remember. I think these were like 80 bucks
Got it.
for the pair, I think.
Nice.
So not overly expensive, and they're solid steel, made in the USA.
Awesome. So we, this is our first time trying them, so I think it's gonna work out fine.
I'm just eyeballing it about, 4 or 5 inches in from the edge.
Okay.
There's no real criteria. My rationale is the closer to the edge you put them, I mean, you don't want them right on the end,
Right.
but the closer you put them, for an uneven driveway, the less likely the edge is to dig in.
Okay.
So that's kind of my logic.
Awesome. First time shoveling here, so let's see how that works. We put in the snowshoes on the tractor. Hello folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we are trying to clean our driveway, which is a lot of snow as you can see. This is Wisconsin, so my husband is trying to clean it up. Awesome. Whee! It's a beautiful sunny day today. Okay folks, so finally we made it into shoveling our driveway. Look at the beautiful moon. I don't know if you can see that through up the sky. It looks beautiful. Once again, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin. I am about to go into the tractor. I like my tractor. Here we go. Awesome. So here we go, people. Okay folks, so finally we made it into shoveling our driveway. Look at the beautiful moon. I don't know if you can see that through up the sky. It looks beautiful. Once again, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin. I am about to go into the tractor. I like my tractor. Here we go. Awesome. So here we go, people.
Good job with the